Hey guys, I'm out here causing trouble again in West Michigan. I decided to go sourcing just for the fun of it. Maybe buy something I want to keep, maybe buy something to flip and resell. I don't know. I'm at this antique mall called Pinky's here in West Michigan. I'll put a picture up here. Really cool place. The only downside is it's a mall, so there's like 50 vendor booths or whatever. And the problem is they mix new items with antiques. There's a couple real deal antique dealers, I call them, that's just antiques, super old stuff, really cool. Majority, it's new stuff mingled with old stuff or collectibles that are only 10 years old with antiques. I really don't like that. I like a true antique store. But this one's not bad. You can find some good deals. So let's run inside and see what we can find.
All right, I had to record narration. 20% off. Boom. They had this horrible music playing in the background. So this is your typical booth. They do kind of intermingle new stuff and antique stuff, like I mentioned. I try to hit the booths that have stuff 20% off, 30% off. There's some Ray Dunn items, a lot of them in this particular booth. There's a teapot here. I did not look up comps on that, but I did look up comps on this coffee cup that's coming up in a second. And some glowy glass right there. Priced full retail, no big deal. If you collect this stuff, it's a good buy. But if you're going to flip it and resell it, you're going to have to take a pass on that. And just some interesting cookie jars, interesting glassware. Yeah, I looked this one up. This world's best teacher, Ray Dunn. Solds are not really that great. Not all Ray Dunn items are worth a ton of money, and that's about it. It's worth about $12.50. Other Ray Dunn items you should look up if you find them in a garage sale or flea market, if you can get them really cheap, um, anywhere from $12 to 50 to $100. And these are some Ray Dunn plates. Never even seen these before. I did look up comps on some of these things and they were priced accurately, so I just kind of let it go. Here's some figurines, lots of glassware, some more Ray Dunn items. Coffee cups, I looked at these. I didn't see anything that stood out other than the Ray Dunn items, nothing really big. If you see anything, put it in the comments. Anything that's worth like, $100 because it's discontinued or super rare, let me know that down below in the comment section. Here's some just general glassware. Now I'm going over to kind of like a man cave area. What is this? Wow, it's a fish and a woman. What is this? Hager? Heger? Don't know. Let me know if you've ever heard of that. Nothing on the bottom that helps identify it. Looks like a sculpture of some kind. Interesting and weird, which sells good on eBay. These are just tools, just vintagey tools, no big deal. Some shoe knives, leather knives, some awls, all that kind of stuff. Some um, blow torches. This looks like a repop, even though it's kind of funny. It's in too good of condition. Like I said, they mix new and old together. Yeah, Bambi, green Bambi, kind of weird. This booth had some plates, a lot of Dutch items. This is West Michigan, so you will see a lot of Dutch items, wooden shoes, Dutch children, things like that. And there's a Harry Humstone cup right there. I don't think it's anything. It said made in Holland. Um, just unusual things. This is a horse made out of leather. I was like, what the heck? Yeah, I don't know. I give it a little prime time tap there to see what it's made out of. It's not ceramic. It could be leather. I've never seen anything like it. Some, vintagey glass, nothing to get excited about. Some of it is fairly new, like Michelob. I mean, come on, really? An antique mall. But, people do collect it. That's a weird plate. So here again, you have a combination of new and old. I didn't see anything exciting there. This is kind of cool. This is a Disney cookie jar, but they had it priced accordingly. I think 65 bucks. Yeah, what the heck? Boom, thumbs down. What the heck, guys? Come on, this is an antique mall. Let's see, got some cool stuff. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's an old little book. And let's see that. I don't know. Okay, so now this is what I call the real deal booth. This guy, what? How do you pronounce that? Is that Van Dyke? And the little tobacco box. I think it's Van Dyke. That's what I'm going to call it. make a good thumbnail. So these are like tobacco tins, snuff tins, sliced plugs, all that kind of stuff. This is really old. What Climax? What the heck is that? So these are really cool. People collect these tobacco tins, cigar boxes, cigarette boxes. If you didn't know, cigarettes did come in these weird boxes and tins and containers before they came in a pack. No, thank you. I don't need a laxative. This would be, this isn't even patent medicine. This is like newer than that. 1930s, 40s, another tin. The tobacco companies had really elaborate advertising, very artistic, so people collected these tins. Um, so it's not, oh, what is this? Is that glowy glass? No, that's plastic. That is mean, mean green plastic that looks like glowy glass. Not cool, man. Here's some figurines, some clear glass. Didn't look this stuff up, I just didn't have time. This is kind of cool. A fire decanter. I don't know what that even is, but it's in a glass case, so Midwest picker can't afford it. It's a creepy looking plushie on wheels. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. A lot of the stuff is kind of strange. I like strange. Some modern stuff. Okay, here's some interesting books. Texas Deck, Boys and Girls Cookbook. Tiddlywinks. Tiddly Tots? What the heck? Tiddly Tots? Don't even know what that is. That sounds wrong, but oh well. Board games, they have a lot of value, but this place priced them accordingly. That's an LP, which is really strange. Hard to tell if it's scratched because of the image on there like that. That's kind of weird. Just regular green and clear glass. There's Midwest Picker in the mirror. And there's some tobacco tins again. Interesting if you collect this stuff. Now, this is the real deal booth. I actually purchased an item out of this booth. So if you want, pause the video after I get done with this booth and put in there what you think I purchased, because I do buy one of these items. That is really cool. Tiger chewing tobacco. Sweet Cuba tobacco. These are big tins. And, for you young folks, a lot of food and a lot of tobacco. Whoa, Zanzibar brand bologna sausage. That is cool, but not for the price. Let's see, what is it? $100. Yeah, I mean, it's politically incorrect. It's very rare, but $99. It's in fantastic condition too. Maybe someday when Mrs. Midwest doesn't know what I'm doing, I'll buy that and hide it in the pole barn. Um, Prince Albert is pretty common. That item is still new in the package, which is really weird. It's like hog casings for sausage, obviously dried out and no good. But oh, I was saying younger people. A lot of food items were sold in tins with a removable lid. Lard, potato chips, tobacco, all kinds of stuff. And these are all genuine. These are not repops. They're not reproductions. You have to be very careful. Black Americana is frequently reproduced and new and made to look old. This guy is the real deal. All of his items here, patent medicines, tobacco tins, are all genuine. And again, I purchased one of these. These are kind of common, but collectible. This is what cigarettes and tobacco came in. You could keep that in your breast pocket. Peanut butter tins, just about everything. Lard, hog maws, everything sold in tins. And here's some, I think it's perfume, cologne, and powders over here. These are like home goods. People collect these old-timey items, some old fishing reels, which is a little odd. All right, so pause the video if you want and put down in the comments what do you think I purchased out of that booth with all the tins in it, because I did buy one thing. I'll reveal it at the end of this video, just for fun. This booth had a lot of glassware, salt and pepper shakers. I didn't see anything that stood out. Obviously, I don't have time to look everything up. I'm just looking for what I know. And a lot of these are collectibles from the 40s, 50s. I thought that was something, so I kind of picked it up, and it's just plain green. It's not jadeite, or it's not anything fancy, or bakelite. It's just a green butter dish. Another cookie jar. And let's see what we got. Just miscellaneous knick-knacky things. Oh yeah. So this teapot, it looked very similar to one I sold for $127, and it's not the same thing. Made in England. It is nice, but I don't believe it's the same one that I got at a Salvation Army for $8. Yeah, he's only asking 15. I purchased one like this for $8 at a Salvation Army and sold it for 127. That's a much older video. So I had to take a peek and check it out. Interesting items. Nothing that I personally collect, and so I'm here mostly to find something to flip. And I'm not finding really anything. Figurines. Certain ones are desirable and collectible depending on the theme. Little Harry Humstone, no, it's just, what is this? Yeah, it's nothing. It's not Royal Albert or the stuff that Harry collects. It's just plain Jane. Some more people, some more figures. I didn't even look to see what brand they were. I don't think they're Hummels or, you know, or anything like that. Got a few ducks, a lot of clear glass. We got some statue. Oh, another teapot. I should have looked that one up. Keebler Elf cookie jar. Oh, here we go. The Pyrex lady. So yeah, Pyrex is awesome. It's collectible. It's worth a ton of money, and she knows it. She's got it priced accordingly. And whoa, 275 bucks. Yeah, she's not off. That's about what it's worth. Very cool items if you're looking to buy. Hey, shout out to Nana Tink. Nana Tink's Treasures. Check out her YouTube channel. Now we're looking into more modern stuff. Post Toasties, never seen those before. And this booth has got basically no antiques, just some modern stuff. Starbucks cups. Interesting. I like Looney Tunes. Grew up on Looney Tunes. But you never know how old they are. It's really hard to date that. Now here we go with the baseball cards, which I know nothing about, but I do know old. So these are very valuable. Here's Pete Rose, one of my favorite players. 50 bucks. Is that good? I don't know. Some Hank Aaron, Willie Mays, priced accordingly. All ungraded, but again, I know nothing about those and what the values are. These are like non-sports trading cards, different TV shows, different movies. Iron-Ons, I'm not sure what that is. The movie Alien, I love it. Mork and Mindy. The Osmonds, I can pass on that one. And then some better sports trading cards and figurines. These are starting to grow in popularity. These are oddballs, 91 PGA unopened. Fleer. Yeah, these are just strange, unopened, oddball stuff. No idea if they're priced right or not. Didn't look them up. And we got some colored glass. Oh, there's me in the background. This clock was pretty cool. I like that. Very different. I didn't even look at the price though. This is an old-timey photo. Now I was looking for ephemera. I was looking for old photographs. I had nothing. 29 bucks framed. That's a good price, really. Might have to go back and get that. I love ephemera. I love wall maps. I love paper. I love all that stuff, and they had none. So I had a good time though, just looking around.
All right, we're done. Back in the car. Boy, is it a hot day today. So did you put your guess down in the comment section? I did buy one item from that booth. I'll give you 3, 2, 1. Boom! My favorite food, peanut butter. Look at this cute little thing. Yes, sirree, Bob. I got this for, $15.90 with tax. Not bad. I looked up comps on eBay. It might be worth double that, but you know what? I'm keeping this one because I just like it. It's really cool. For you young folks, potato chips, lard, peanut butter, so many food items came in these tin cans with a removable lid. I'm not sure of the date on it. I know it's from Michigan, Bay City, Michigan, which is on the east side over by the Thumb. So a lot of food items came in tins. They're very collectible. It's a great item to decorate your house, your kitchen with. Maybe if you got shelf space above your cupboards, people put those big tins, potato chip tins and all those things up there. I think it's kind of cool. I'm going to decorate the future eBay office with it. I doubt I'll flip it. It's missing the lid, so it'd be worth probably double with the lid. They had other ones, if you remember in the video. Those were like $39. I guess they're in better condition or they have the lids. This one was 15 bucks, so I thought, why not? So that's the video, guys. Glad you're here. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. please hit that thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with more and more content, and when me and Mrs. Midwest close on our house, if we ever find a house and buy one, I'll get set up again with my eBay office. I'll do a lot more sourcing videos and what sold on eBay videos. My eBay store is on time away for the second time for 30 days. So far, I haven't made eBay angry, so it's working. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Put your comments down below. Did I miss anything? Some prices were really high. Most prices are full retail. But if you saw a unicorn or a home run that I didn't buy, put it down in the comments. I can always go back and buy it. But just remember, like the Ray Dunn items, they're priced at full retail, things like that. But yeah, put it in the comments. Share the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.